Recordamos que en Pasarela estamos viendo las propuestas de Ainhoa Galdós.
Never win. I don't need to lead you. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to say. Don't you wanna help me? Tell me what to do.
Gogoratzen dugu oraintxe ikusten ari garena Ainhoa Galdosen proposamenak eta jantziak.
Just like you do. I don't need to need you. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to say. And it's the desperation to hold on to something that can't be held on to. So don't waste.
Segunda participante en esta octava edición de la pasarela de nuevos diseñadores, Ana Marqués.
You make no mistake if you learn from what you've got to take. Good or bad, it's all gonna add up in the end, but you can never win. Don't thank me, don't tell me how, don't break me down, don't help me make it. Don't thank me, don't tell me how, don't break me down, don't help me make it. Don't thank me.
Recordamos que estamos viendo diseños de Ana Marqués y que la peluquería corre a cargo de la peluquería Marcela Ranz.
Baby, can't you see I'm calling? A girl like you should wear a warning. It's dangerous, I'm falling. There's no escape, I can't wait. I need a hit, baby, give me it. You're dangerous, I'm loving it. You get too high, you can't calm down. My head spinning round and round. Do you feel me now? With the taste of your lips, I'm alright. You're toxic, I'm slipping under. Taste of a poison paradise. I'm addicted to you, but you know that's a toxic.
Son los diseños de Ana Marqués. La manicura corre a cargo de Art Niles. Tercera participación en esta octava edición de la pasarela de nuevos diseñadores. Diseños y vestidos de Antxoka Uranga Vesga. Ikusten ari garena, Antxoka Uranga Vesgaren jantziak eta diseinuak.
I'll say these words aloud, they speak from the inside. And every time I see you, you just walk away.
Estamos viendo diseños de Anchoca Uranga Vesga.
You just walk away. Still the world is turning. I will not complain.
Cuarta participante, octava edición de la pasarela de nuevos diseñadores, Bárbara Guard. Recordamos que peluquería y maquillaje van a cargo de Marcela Arranz.
My head is spinning around, I don't know what to do. If I'm so happy, I got everything to lose. And every time I see you, I can't stand to stay. And now
And every time I see you, you just walk away.
En pasarela, Bárbara Guard.
Daft Punk is playing at my house, my house. I'll show you the ropes, kid, show you the ropes. Got a bus and a trailer at my house, my house. I'll show you the ropes, kid, show you the ropes. I bought 15 cases for my house, my house. All the furniture.
Taulan gainean, ontxe bertan ikusten ari gara, Bárbara Guard.
Punk is playing in my house, my house. You got to set them up, kid. Set them up. You got to set them up. Yeah. You got to set them up.
Hurrengo parte hartzailea gau honetan, Carla Barcia Díaz.
Set them up. Well, Daft Punk is playing in my house, my house. I waited 7 years and 15 days. There's every kid for miles in my house, my house. And the neighbors can't call the police. There's a fist fight brewing in my house, my house. Because the dogs can't get in the door. When Daft Punk is playing in my house, my house. You got to set them up, kid. Oh, set them up.
Estamos viendo los diseños de Carla Barcia Díaz. Carla Barcia Díazen jantziak eta diseinua kontxe bertan taula gainean.
All the robots
Vamos con la sexta participante en esta octava edición de la pasarela de nuevos diseñadores. En esta ocasión, Eider Capdepont.
It's not too hard. You don't even have to be a hip hop star. So anyone can do it. All you need is style. Listen up, peep gang. I'ma show you how. Put your hands to the side, as silly as it seems, and shake your body like a salmon floating upstream. Very interesting.
Hauek dira Eider Capdepontek aurkeztutako diseinuak eta jantziak. Gogoratzen dugu manikura Art Nielsen kargure doala.
People just laughed. They looked around and stood like I was on crack. I heard somebody say out loud, what the fuck is that? This nigga's dancing like a fish while he's doing the snap. But the more I kept doing it, the more they were feeling it. And then I heard some bitches say, yo, that nigga's killing it. By the end of the night, everyone was on my team and the whole club was dancing like a salmon floating upstream.
En pasarela, los diseños de Eider Capdepont.
Wow. The moon? Fish pay attention to the moon? Wow.
Urrengo parte hartzailea gaurko gau honetan, diseinatzaile berri modun, Laura Díez. Laura Díez, oraintxe ikusten ari gara, taula gainien, sus diseños y sus vestidos. Laura Díez. Taula gainien, orain Laura Díezen proposamenak jantziak, diseinuak. Octavo participante en esta edición de la pasarela de nuevos diseñadores. Presentamos los diseños de Paul Chertudi. Hauek dira ikusten ari garenak Paul Txertudiren diseinuak.
Hold it, control it, love, but you can't bag it. You can push, but you can't direct it. Circulate, regulate, oh no, you cannot connect it. You know each you in bubble gum. There's no one that is, but you still won't serve. Just can't get enough of that lovey stuff. You get confused, but you know where.
En pasarela, Paul Txertudi. Recordamos que peluquería y maquillaje corre a cargo de Peluquería Marcel Arranz. Novena participación en esta edición de la pasarela de nuevos diseñadores. Diseinatzaile berrien pasarela honetan parte hartuko da orain Rufino Romero.
It's not dread, 'cause you can't play it. It's the way and a way that's okay. You can learn it.
Recordamos que estamos viendo los diseños de Rufino Romero.
La patience, ma confiance, mon souffle, mon innocence, le bus des journées entières, ton numéro, ma mémoire, le sommeil, ma foi, mon portefeuille, avec tout mon argent dans le métro. I'm losing myself, I'm losing myself, losing myself over you. I'm losing myself, I'm losing myself.
Ikusten ari garenak Rufino Romeroren diseinuak eta jantziak.
Mon passeport, mon sens de l'humour, ma tête et ma santé, mon indépendance aux échecs, ma voix, les peu de choses qui me restent que je ne peux pas oublier. I'm losing
Eta guazen ja azkeneko parte hartzaileakin, bera da Vanessa de Ramón.
myself over you. Tout est perdu, et j'étais oubliée. Hey, tout est parti, je vais. Tout est perdu, et j'étais oubliée. Hey.
En pasarela, Vanessa de Ramón.
Losing myself.
diseños y vestidos de Vanessa de Ramón.